Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to delete all wallpapers on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to delete your all wallpapers, so let's see how you can do this. For this, first you have to put on your locks, the screen, and here just turn screen on and keep a long press on lock screen. And after that your passcode will be enabled. You just have to enter passcode to enter edit settings. Here you can see I have entered the edit setting. Now what's order to delete all wallpapers? You just have to select the wallpaper which you want to delete, as I'm going to delete this one. So just swipe it up and here's the delete option. Just tap on it and then tap on delete wallpaper and do same for the others. Just swipe it up and then tap on delete and then delete this wallpaper. Unfortunately, here's no any option of delete all wallpapers, so you just have to delete all wallpapers individually. In this way you can easily delete wallpapers on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.